As I was telling you the other day, there's a couple of ways to prove that a triangle is right angled. One of the most very basic ways is I can draw you right now two triangles, and one of these is right angled and the other one isn't. Now, to prove that one of them is right angled, they obey Pythagoras' theorem. The one that is right angled, Pythagoras' theorem balances. Okay. So therefore, we get 5 squared equals 4 squared plus 3 squared. 25 equals 25. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay. So therefore, the other one is 6 squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. And therefore we get 36 is not equal to 25. What this means is triangle 1 is not right angled, but triangle 2 is. So you could get all three lengths using the distance formula and then do Pythagoras' theorem. It's a long way of doing it, but it's a successful way of doing it. Now, another way, and an easier way of doing it, would be to, anytime you have two lines that are perpendicular to each other, you have two slopes, M1 and M2. If I was to say M1, for instance, is 2 over 3, M2 is turn that upside down, change the sign, minus 3 over 2. Then M1 multiplied by M2 has to equal to minus 1. So, excuse me. What you do is you get your two slopes, you multiply them by each other, and if they equal minus 1, automatically means they're perpendicular. Okay? So in this particular example, I'd get 2 over 3 multiplied by minus 3 over 2 equals minus 1, and you have to write down minus 1 equals minus 1 to prove that they're perpendicular. With this in mind, what I suggest we do is we get the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We do it for both. We do it for BC and AC. So we'll start off with AC. Call it x1, y1, x2, y2. Find the slope, and what you get is 12 minus 5 all over minus 2 minus 1. And what we get there is minus 7. Is that correct? Minus 7. The other one is going to be, we'll call that x1, y1 as well. We get 12 minus 13 all over minus 2 minus 5. And we get plus a 7th. Then I have to multiply both slopes together, so I have to say minus 7 times minus 1 over 7 equals minus 1. Minus 1 equals minus 1. And you're better off writing in M1 by M2 equals minus 1. And that means they're perpendicular to each other. Sorry?
Do you have to write anything to say that's perpendicular?
You could write down 3 dots, they are perpendicular. Or you can write down like this, AC perpendicular to BC. Just that will do it nicely. Okay. 31. Find the equation of a circle. Okay, so what we have here is our circle. Works this time. And once we have our circle, we have a line that's a tangent. Like so. What I have to do next is either find the centre of that circle and find that distance there. Distance being ax1 plus by1 plus c all over a squared plus b squared. Now, centre is minus 6, 1. So that's x1, y1. Have to find the equation of a circle as well, so that means x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And then, first of all, I have to find out what r is. We're going to use r using the distance formula, so we're going to get a is 1 because it's 1x, b is 1 because it's 1y, and c is 1 because that's the last number there. So r equals 1 times minus 6 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 all over the square root of 1 squared plus 1 squared. What we're going to get here is minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Modules of minus 4 is 4. It's going to be 4 over root 2, which is Was it?
When it's squared is
2 root 2, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 root 2. Okay, going to use the formula for the circle that's up the top of the board here. So what we're going to do next is it's going to be, that's h and that's k. So it's going to be x plus 6 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 2 root 2 squared, which is going to get me 8. 2 root 2 to be squared gets you 8. Are you happy with that? Many people get it? Okay, majority. Okay. Moving on. 33, right? Okay. Now. You touch the point 4, and one of them, that one, the other one's that one, right down the centre of C1. Okay, interesting. Now, centre of C1 is 0, 0. Reason being is this formula here has no brackets beside it, so it's 0, 0. Centre of C2 is 3, 3. Find the equation of the line containing the two centre points. So, equation of a line that contains both points. Well, we do y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. Then you get slope of 3 minus 0 over 3 minus 0 equals 1. That's the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M is equal to 1. I'll use 0, 0, so y minus 0 equals 1 into x minus 0. Formula is y equals x. Show that the point of contact P is also on this line. Is P also on this line? Well, P is 4, 4, so we sub it in. So 4 equals 4, hence 4, 4 is on the line. Am I missing a question? Is there a part 5 or anything like that?
No.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Too bad. Okay. Now, everybody happy with that?
Yeah.
Alright. 35. Okay. So, this one here, guys, a set of circles has a common contact of 0, 0 as shown. The radius of S1 is 4 units and the centre is 4, 0. Write down the equation of S1. Well, it's all going to be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So, first one is going to be x minus 4 squared plus y squared equals 16. Okay. Write down the coordinates of point B. Point B is 8, 0, C, 12, 0. What's the length of the diameter of S2? S2 is 12. It's not drawn properly, really, is it? Not really drawn properly, but it's meant to be 12. Oh, wait, not 12.
It is 12. You see the main point, the radius is 6.
Just give me a second. S1. 1 second, guys. Not completely getting this stuff yet.
2 points. What is it, part 4?
Okay, that's 4. AB is 4.
Yeah.
And I keep saying that BC is 4, CD is 4, and they're all 4, right? Just give it a few seconds. I think it's just the drawing that is really putting me on. What's the length of the diameter of circle S2? So it's 12 because it's 3 4s, you're right. Yeah, sorry. Took me a second. What's the centre of S2? 6, 0. The equation of S2, x minus 6 squared plus y squared equals, the radius is 6, so 6 squared, 36. Done. show that B is the center of S3. So show that B is the center. What is B again? 8, 0. Okay. Well, show.
You have to find out what the diameter is. And then
Yeah, it's half the diameter.
yeah.
So you basically say it's 16, diameter equals 16, radius equals 8, and then you could do a translation of 0, 0 plus 8 plus 0 gets you 8, 0, which is the point B.
So you basically just do anything that proves that it's half the radius.
Well, yeah, because the circle it touches 0, 0, it's on the same line,
Yeah.
so just that. By finding the length of the diameter or S4 or otherwise, find the equation of S4. S4 has a diameter of what? 20, which means a radius of 10 and a center of
10,
10, 0. So it'll just be x minus 10 squared plus y squared equals 100 or 10 squared in the radius. Everybody get that?
Yep.
Alright, guys.